Hi, hello. Welcome to Mohansh Technologies. Today, I am going to be discussing about quantum computing. So, quantum computing is basically emerging technology, and this computational power, which is greater than this supercomputer also. In coming days, this quantum computing is going to be solve the problems like within fraction of seconds. For example, a supercomputer is going to be solve the problem, critical situation, something like 2054 crypto hash code. So that kind of hash codes also supercomputer will break in the 250 days, 300 days, 365 days, something like that. That kind of situation quantum computing will solve within 2 seconds. Imagine, within 2 seconds, imagine. So that much computing power which is going to be available in the quantum computing. So later on we are going to be understand about the quantum computing theory. What is this quantum computing? How this quantum computing is going to be working like? See, basically normal computer, classical computers are working with the binary system, zeros and ones. We know that, everybody know that. That is the machine code, right? But quantum computing is not going to be working with the zeros and ones. It is going to be working with a zero and one in middle. So from zero to one, some imagination, some imaginary numbers are there. So those kind of imaginary numbers which are going to be available, that kind of qubits. So in quantum computing, there is a concept called qubit concept, a quantum bit concept. Quantum bit called nothing but qubit. Okay. So one qubit power, one qubit power is unbelievable qubit power. That number of qubits are there. If number of qubits are there, then imagine what is going to be happening with the real world in the IT. So let me go and continue the things in the quantum computing. So Mohan's Technology is going to be exclusively providing the computing first time in India, which is going to be having a 45 days online training, and we are going to be delivering all the quantum computing algorithms, which are going to be a machine learning algorithms with QuISKit, IBM QuISKit Python framework. So we have already Python videos in the YouTube channel. You just go through the Python videos. I am uploading regularly Python videos. Those particular videos you have to watch. Those particular videos are enough to come to the quantum computing, right? Next, I'll go to the one by one, step by step. Okay, introduction. Introduction to quantum computing. Imagine, I already told you, imagine a machine capable of solving a problems that's today's fastest supercomputer can't touch. That's the promise of quantum computing, a paradigm shift in how we process information. Yes, we have huge number of data, trillions of records, trillions of records which are going to be generating from the social media, from the different kind of digital platforms. So when we have a very big problem, supercomputers can't touch. Wow, what a nice word, huh? Supercomputers can't touch. That's the promise quantum computing is going to be giving you, huh? Wow, super. Next, come to the point. Key features of the fictional quantum computing. So fictional nothing but it is upcoming. Okay. The computer will be released upcoming, but already jobs are there in the quantum computing. So researchers needed and algorithm writing processes needed. So superposition dynamics. Superposition. So I told already there is a position between the zero and one. So you know what is zero, what is one? Zero is nothing, one is something. Nothing and something between something, some process is going to be happening. Na? One means alive, zero means dead. So before the dead and alive, some position is going to be happening. That is called superposition. That superposition dynamics, quantum computing analyzing, and time-aware solutions, quantum link technology, quantum link technology. So these are the basic key features of the quantum computing. So one by one, you can understand in the classes what quantum computing can do, what mathematics can apply inside it, the quantum physics, something like electrons, protons. So that kind of concept, quantum computing is going to be following in the future. Okay, let us go with the next one. How quantum computers operate. operate. How quantum computers operate. The engine driving infinite possibles. Infinite. You know the number infinite? Infinite. There is a state called infinite. Anybody know infinite? Infinite means what? Can't understand. Can't imagine. Can't imagine. That kind of possibilities quantum computer can do. So that cryostasis gel cooling. A computer have what? Cryostasis gen cooling, which is going to be available. The computer design is completely different. See, normal computer, some transistors are going to be fitting in the computer. That's okay. But quantum computing, the movable objects are there inside. That movable qubits, that movable qubits are going to be having some electron photon energies. Okay. So that is called entangulation. Entangulation. And quantum state core, which is going to be a very, very important thing. So let us try to understand one by one. Okay. Now, applications of quantum computing, quantum defense grids, quantum healing research. Yeah, oh my God, research is there here. If research quantum entered into the research, na, you give the trillions records of the data also, it is going to be hit or it is going to be handled carefully within seconds. Within seconds. And space mining simulations, AI Genesis platforms, and pioneering solutions for the tomorrow's challenges, guys. So we don't know about the tomorrow challenge. Tomorrow challenge is big. Tomorrow challenge. Who can guess the tomorrow challenge? Who can guess the tomorrow challenge? So previously, 2 years back, COVID something came. That is one challenge actually. That is one challenge for the hospitality. That is one challenge for the government. That kind of challenges are going to be coming in the tomorrow. That kind of future challenges, quantum computing. Hey, wait, I'm coming. I will give you the solution. Quantum computing is guys saying that within 1 to 2 minutes, the solution will come. Within 1 to 2 minutes, solution will come for the COVID kind of situations. That quantum computing is promising actually. And come to the one more point. Let's go for benefits of quantum computing. Yeah, this is a bigger theory. Quantum computing have a potential to reshape the entire industries by unlocking the solutions to problems one thought unsolvable. Cryptography. You take the cryptography, guys. Breaking the RSA and enabling quantum safe encryption. Do you know what is the encryption and decryption? Huh. Encryption is something like making the key. Decryption is nothing but releasing the key. And cryptography level, this is actually breaking the RSA enable quantum safe encryptions. That kind of power quantum computing is going to be having. Now come to the medicine part. Simulating the molecular interactions of accelerating drug discovery. I already told COVID kind of situations. If a bigger problem will come in the future, see, our environment is very bad and something is going to be happen in the future. Okay, a lot of things will may come. Okay, so in the part of medicine, this is going to be having accelerating drug discovery procedures. In the area of the cryptography, it is powerful. In the area of the medicine, it is powerful. In the area of the finance, also it is powerful. Okay, finance. What is the problem with the finance? How the financial situations are going to be getting down? Okay, so why? Because of why the India is going to be more targeting on IT in quantum computing area? Why Modi is going to be taking promising? I want to launch a more number of quantum computing labs in the India. Why Chandrababu Garu is saying that Amaravati should be a quantum lab, quantum valley. Why this Lokesh Garu is also saying that Amaravati need to be a quantum valley. Why these guys are saying? So those people are actually administrators. Those people have some imagination for the future. For that, for that, they are actually inviting the computing and they are keeping the amount for the quantum computing. They are releasing the budgets also for the quantum computing. Okay, so in the finance area, optimizing the portfolios and detecting the fraud with the unprecedented speed. Okay, so the guys who are doing the lot of A lot of frauds in the banking sectors. We know some guy called Kingfisher guy is there now. So he did a bigger fraud for the India. So financially he is going to be taking all the money of the labor. Okay, you know that. Yeah, that kind of situations cannot happen with the quantum computing. In the part of AI, enhancing the machine learning and pattern recognitions. Okay, nowadays AI is powerful. Why not? AI is powerful, but enhancing the machine learning things, even deep learning things, pattern recognitions, quantum computing is oh, crores better, crores. Okay. And climate and energy. See how the situations are going to be happening. Some kind of tsunamis are coming, some kind of different kind of things are going to be coming. People are dying and farmers are suffering. Different situations are going to be happening in the our environment actually. So in our society. That kind of climate energy also quantum computing can able to handle. So modeling complex systems and designing the next gen batteries. Okay. So in the different kind of area, not only the single area, in the cryptography, in the medicine, in the finance, in the AI, in the climate energy, uh, not only the single matter. So quantum computing is going to be sit in the multiple domains and multiple areas in the real time in the industries, right, guys? So come to the next point, challenges and limitations. Yes, quantum computing is not that much easy, guys. It have so many challenges basically. The energy overload kind of situations can happen. Some quantum ghosting is going to be happen. So and quantum computer is going to be keep in the minus 700 degrees temperature. A computer need to keep in the minus 700 degrees temperature in the dark area only. So the maintenance is not that much easy. Okay. Okay. People are actually investing the money. Governments are also investing the money to make the more qubit quantum computers. Okay. So if you have one qubit that is more powerful, if you have 1,000 qubits, 2029 challenge is actually 1,000 qubits in one system. If 1,000 qubits in one system in India, that kind of computers, 10 computers are there. Oh my God, super. India is the number one in the world. Huh? That's what actually, guys. Come to the next point. Current state of fictional quantum computing, achievements on the path of the quantum supremacy. So, Earth, Mars, quantum network, quantum net expansion, corporate pioneers, AI integration. AI integration is also there for the quantum computing. That's super powerful. All the machine learning algorithms are going to be injecting with the quantum computing. That much powerful is going to be happening in the current days and future days, emerging days. Okay. So what is the vision of the quantum computing? Quantum computing dreams. See, everybody have dreams, na. The same time, quantum computing is also having some dreams, na. That dreams are actually infinite possibilities. What is a dream? Infinite possibility. Uh, we have the dream. I also have the dream. I want to become like a Modi. I want to become like a Chandrababu Naidu. That is not possible. Huh? That is actually not possible. The things that is called infinite possibility. That kind of infinite possibility is also quantum computing dream actually. So in the different areas, quantum simulations, resident quantum compilation and commercialization, quantum inspired optimization, quantum cloud computing, quantum AI, quantum sustainability, and quantum in cybersecurity, quantum in robotics, quantum in data mobility and big data analytics, quantum in the intelligent transportation in all industries. Unlock the future, the transformative capabilities of quantum computing. These are the areas, all the areas, not only the single area leave na, not leave na, all the areas which are going to be covering by the quantum computing in the generation, coming generation. That is the vision, that is the dream of the quantum computing. Now, quantum computing is also having some ethical and social implications, balancing the progress of the responsibility, quantum privacy, access inequality. Yeah, even that kind of system also having some ethics, huh? That ethical social implications. So I should have some responsibilities, roles and responsibility to play in the society. That kind of situations it can able to handle, guys. Okay. Next, come to the part. This is the architecture of algorithm. See, whenever you write some algorithm in the quantum computing, okay, this is the architecture, layer architecture. You see the architecture, there are multiple things. If you have some algorithm execution, that is the purple color one, that is going to be written in the Python. That goes with what? That goes with what? The second area. Second area is the logical input output. That is actually called a logic area, logical area, programming area. From the programming area, next level is error correction. If I'm doing wrong, if I'm doing wrong or right. So correcting the errors. Then output FGPS is also there, and physical qubits also there. That is the physical layer. Okay, our target is basically logical layer. Exactly. So our target is basically logical layer. We are the programmers. We are the programmers. We are trying to generating the qubits. So our part is logical layer part, and this machine level part is some other guys will be there for that. Okay, no issues for that. Next, come to the features of Mohansh Technologies. What Mohansh Technologies is going to be offering for you guys? Learn by working and workspace atmosphere. We are providing the learning part. Master skill with real-time concepts. Practice, still you better master. Real-time coding challenges we will be providing for you. 100% job placement assistance. Okay, once you people come to the Mohansh, you go by the job. You go take a job and go. Right? Getting my point? And interview preparation. We do the interview preparations. We do the mock-up interviews, and we will be giving the coding challenges for you. In this 45 days, we make you zero to mastery level. Dedicated placement support till land your dream job. That is the Mohan's agenda. Mohan's is not going to be giving only quantum computing. Mohan's is going to be having all emerging technologies like blockchain, cybersecurity. And in cybersecurity, there are different kind of modules like SOC is there, ethical hacking is there, and different kind of IAM related. So you know that IAM, Identity Access Management, a single sign-on concept. So those kind of PingFederate, Ping Access, CyberArk, Okta, Microsoft, Entra ID. See, there are multiple cybersecurity related courses also we have, but we focus. Mohan should focus only for emerging technologies, not for the 1980s technologies, not for the 1990s technologies, not for the 80 technologies. We are actually targeting for the 2030 technologies, 2035 technologies, 2040 technologies. What we want in the future? The future is going to be having sit only with emerging technologies. Those kind of technologies only Mohan's Technologies is going to be providing you. I hope you understand, guys. Okay, let's come to the one more important point. So the only limit is the imagination. Quantum computing is the only feature. Data wise, data related wise, quantum computing is the only feature. Yes, we have the ethical hacking, we have the cyber security, we have the blockchain. These are also, you have to remember, blockchain is also very, very emerging technology. Cyber security is also very, very emerging technology. And quantum computing is also emerging technology. Remember it. Am I clear, guys? So this is what actually I want to tell you. And very soon we are going to be starting the batches for the quantum computing from Mohan's Technologies. We are providing only online trainings. We don't have any offline trainings for the cybersecurity, even quantum computing, even blockchain, even AML KYC. AML KYC is also very, very important in the financial sector nowadays, guys. Remember it. So we have already AML KYC. And one more important point I want to tell, in our Mohan's Technologies YouTube channel, we are uploading all the content free. Every day we are uploading 4 to 5 videos or 10 videos, something like that. You have to follow it. Free content you need to learn from yourself. Okay, so please like the video. If you like the video, you like the teaching, you like the thing, all the things, you like the video, share the video for your friends and family members. Subscribe the channel till you not subscribed, and click on the bell icon for the further notifications. Am I clear, guys? People are watching but not subscribing. Do the subscription, and please do the comments. Comments are needful actually. So uh, yeah, that's what actually I want to say for you. And very soon we are going to be starting the batch for the quantum computing. Have a nice day. See you signing off. Bye bye.